Alright, welcome back guys. Here's the trunk all primed up. So, just we'll scuff it up and then I'm going to throw some blue on it. I'll bring you back when the blue's all done because this does take a while to spray. So, let's get to work. The fun part. Oh, I love scuffing. It does give you time to think. Time to yourself. It did come out really nice. And I'm not really too worried about it. This is all going to get covered with insulation stuff, so this is going to get sprayed blue. It's going to get put, the insulation stuff is going to get put all over in here, so it's not really going to matter. But we still want the paint, to stick. Oh boy, kicking you everywhere. There we go. And then once the insulation is on, then I'm going to carpet everything, and I'm going to bring the carpet to right about here. But I don't want to cover up the bolts. With the insulation, I'm actually going to put the insulation over the bolts, but I'm going to mark them. And then the insulation will just go over the bolts. And then I'll probably take the carpet there. It should look okay when we're done. I cut out my pads and stuff like that I'm going to lay in here. It was 2 sections. So that actually came out okay. I don't want to put it in and show you, because if I put it in and show you, it's going to jack up the primer a bit, because it sits in there kind of tight. Oop. Just the spot right there. I need to go get some power. got to do with my scratching? Oh, that is. This should look okay while we're done. Just regular basic rubbing oil. Rubbing alcohol. Oh dear. Rubbing alcohol, yuck. Smells like gin. Does anybody else notice that too? Rubbing alcohol smells like gin. Oh, that's going to be a pain to get around. Anyway, we'll manage. I think that'll do it. Alright, next video should be the blue. Should look pretty good. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace. Hope you enjoyed the video. Even though I might not have even been in the shot, but hey, the video's a video. Peace!